All right, y'all, welcome back. So, at the Smoothie King on Magazine Street, they sell 5 small smoothies for every 15 medium smoothies. First question says, write a ratio to express the amount of small smoothies to medium smoothies sold at the Smoothie King location on Magazine Street. So, let's take a look at that. We know, let's annotate, we got 5 small, we got 15 medium, and we're asked to write a ratio to express that amount. So we know we're talking about small to medium, and we know our ratio is 5 to 15. What are 2 other ways we could write this ratio? That's right, we could write it 5 to 15, or we could write it 5 over 15. Now for this next part, part B, I really want to focus on that 5 over 15. What is the value of the ratio? The value of the ratio. The value of the ratio is the ratio in the lowest form, or the ratio in its absolute simplest form. What is the value of the ratio? That's right, it's just the ratio in its simplest form. So when we take that ratio, 5/15, 5 over 15, then it becomes really easy to see, okay, 5 over 15, what can I divide both the numerator and the denominator by to simplify that ratio? That's right, I can divide by 5 over 5. Then I get 1 over 3, and I can rewrite that ratio anyhow I want. I can write it 1, 2, 3, anything like that. Now, that brings us to the next problem. So, use the value of the ratio to fill in the following 2 multiplicative comparison statements. The number of medium smoothies sold is blank times as many as the number of small smoothies sold at Smoothie King. So the number of medium smoothies sold, up here we're talking about small to medium. I also say small to medium. It's getting a little jumbled, but that's all right. You get it. So when I've got 3 smoothies, 3 is 3 times as many as 1. So that means the number of medium smoothies sold is 3 times as many as the number of small smoothies. The number of small smoothies sold is blank times as many as the number of medium smoothies sold at the Smoothie King. That's right, so it's actually less, right? So the small smoothies are 1 and 3, so 1 out of every 3 smoothies sold is small. So you've got 1 out of 3, or 1/3 times as many as the number of medium smoothies. Now for this last part, part D, if the Smoothie King on Magazine sold 15 small smoothies, how many medium smoothies were sold? I can use the sentences I just created in part C to solve this really easily. I know that the number of medium smoothies is 3 times as much as the number of small smoothies. So go ahead and solve that now. That's right, so you've got 15 times 3, and that's going to give you 45. 45 medium. And that's all we got. Go ahead and get on to practice.